I kind of started when I was a kid, and then later I wound up in art school and just kind of snowballed into now fairly organically. Things kind of come to me whenever I get on scene from my surroundings or music, God. When people see my art, I hope that they just feel good. Maybe inspire them or inspire children to do art, have a better day. Not so much the images on the wall, just seeing art in general, just inspire people. You get to incorporate Lake Charles in the sense of hope and give somebody something bright to look at. It draws people around to walk around and be outside. It brings people into these businesses that have art on the walls, and it's just a great social investment, and it helps everyone out. I'm grateful for being able to do this here and everybody that supports it and the other artists that do cool stuff and just Southwest Louisiana.